Hi guys, today I'm gonna let you know like how you can deploy your Flask app on Heroku.com. Like it's really easy. I will explain in like a really simple way. You don't have to like write requirements.txt file that what is needed. For that we have a library called pip. Okay, we are starting off. Pip rex python. Just search it. Okay, that's the library. Now it's please copy it, just install it, like just go anywhere. Yeah, like I've already installed it, so it will obviously say requirements already satisfied. The requirements already satisfied. Now let's just go to the folder. Like this is my main folder. Like, oh, let me just show you. This is my main project folder. This is my main Python file. It's a JSON file. I'm using it. My templates. These are my templates, and this is my static files. These static files I'm using. Let me just delete one template. Yeah, okay, so these are the things I'm using. Now what you have to do, just on the command prompt, just like on the link whatever it is written, like cmd, and open the command prompt where you like main python file is visible. Like this is my python file, and when you open your python file, make sure you make debug equals not equals to true. Like just leave it, it automatically is false. Okay, now this much have you done. Now you just have to like write pipreqs. Now it will automatically generate a python like requirements of python uh, web app. So just run it. Now it's running. Now it will automatically generate it. Now let me just bring it down. Now just let go to like Heroku. Like after you have logged in, like a basic login and sign up page it is, just check on create new app. Name it whatever you want. I'm naming it iHub EMS. Create app. Okay, now just click on connect to GitHub. So connect to GitHub. Okay, you have to like log in on GitHub. I'm just logging in. Yeah, so just log in on GitHub and connect with it. Okay, now I'm successfully connected with my GitHub account. Now let me just go to my GitHub account, and let's see it has made a in the time like successfully saved requirements at requirements.txt. So let's just open, see these are the files that it has saved, like my Python files were using. Now few things you have to add in this, like you have to add Jinja to Workzweg, whatever it is called, and G unicorn. See, if Jinja 2 or Workzweg is present in your requirements already, like it has created, so no need to. But yeah, if it hasn't, so maybe it hasn't. So just copy it, or you can just write it these 3 lines. Now I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna save it. Yeah. Now let's just go to GitHub. Now make a new repository, and I will make it like iHub. Okay, now add a readme, like make sure to make it public. I think so it should be public, and add a readme. Creating, yeah. Now just add file, upload files, choose your file. Now firstly we'll just upload these 3. Now like for uploading folder, it's really easy. People just make it complicated. Just click it and drag and drop. Yeah, it will automatically make your folder also. Cancel it. See, it is automatically making folders static slash cola, whatever it is called. The templates. So yeah, so everything is done. Now you should do like commit changes, processing your files. Just wait for few minutes. Yeah, so these are the files that got uploaded. Now you need to upload one for, oh sorry, not upload, create. Okay, let just delete readme file. It's not of a use. Maybe it show some error because of this file. My voice is breaking today, so sorry. Like add file, yeah, create new file, and file name will be procfile proc file, and the content should be, see, name should be proc file, the file name, and the content should be this web, uh, uh, this symbol, then space, then G unicorn, space, oh sorry, space, then whatever your file name is, I will show you what the file name is, then this symbol colon, like the app, just, oh sorry, just copy it, whole line, control C, control V, just copy and paste it. Now let me just show you, like my Python file name is like main.py, so just in the place of file name, just make it like main, that's it. So you are telling like our main, this is our the file name with the name main is our main Python file, and just commit. Oh, I have done one thing wrong, like proc files shouldn't be there. I just, yeah, it should be like this. Now you can see proc file, then web G unicorn main. Let me just upload it, commit it, editing changes. Oh, be fast. Oh no, it's taking so much of time. Yeah, so yeah, it has done. See, our main Python file is also main.py, so that's why proc file name was main. So now just here, coming to Heroku, just search your repository name. My name was iHub, whatever. So it has shown me, okay, it's iHub, so I will say connect. Okay, now it's connected. Now I will just click on deploy branch. You can just, I haven't tested enable automatic deploys. Maybe you can just like delete the repository or update it, like after updating repository it will automatically update here. Maybe, I just don't know. See, it's automatically deploying, everything is being installed one by one, just a minute task. Let me just close these things. Will just take a minute, so be patient. I will show you like the web app that has been deployed. Okay, like I think these are the packages that are being installed. You can see so much of packages. Oh, there are more. Now it's compressing the file that are being installed, I think so. No, let's do it fast. Yeah, see, it has deployed as https /ihub/ems.heroku.com/. Now we can copy it, or it will show us to open the app here. Loading output, yeah. So now we'll just click on view. See, like it's working now. Let me just emp do it. Let me do login. Like I haven't set password for this work. See, it's working so perfectly fine. Now you can just, I can just go anywhere, and yeah, see, everything is working fine. So yeah, that's it from my side, and if you like the video, please like it and subscribe it also. Okay, thanks.